Morning guys, in front of me is VIVO V50 and let me show you how to activate Google Backup. So at first enroll settings, then find and select system management, and here go to backup and restore. Here mark backup data, and if you have your Google account added to this device, just mark info that you wish to backup. In my case, it's both photos and videos along with other device data. But if your account is not added yet, you'll have to log in with it. So just provide your email address or phone number, whatever is connected with your account, along with the password. And then you will also be able to activate this backup the same way. So let me just mark confirm. And if you will mark on manage backup, you'll be able to customize it over here. So that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.